Push the tool changing icon on the control panel. When the black dot flashes, the die can be removed from the machine. To do so, open hinged panel on side of the machine over the exit conveyor. Locate the die locking mechanism and pull it out. Then remove the die from the machine. To engage the die, hit the auto icon on screen 1. The screen will change to a screen 2. Tap the run icon. The die will engage and the machine will begin to run. Push the feeder icon on the control panel to lower the feed table. By tapping the stop icon, the tray will stop moving. To raise the feed table, hit the auto icon on screen 1. Hit the run icon and hold while the feed tray rises. When it reaches the top of the stack, the punch will begin operation. Tap and hold the reception icon and the reception tray will lower. The reception bin will raise automatically to its highest position when starting the machine. Hit the auto icon on screen 1. The screen will change to a screen 2. Hit the run icon and hold while both the reception and feed trays rise. Make sure all punched stock is removed from the reception area before elevating the reception tray. On the top of screen 1, there is a display that indicates the current die that the operator has programmed into the machine that tracks cycle counts on the die for lubrication and maintenance. The ING icon is used to get a service screen designed to be used by service technicians and is password protected. The only operation on this screen that can be performed without the password is on the language program. To change, tap the language icon. Using the up and down arrows, the operator can change the display language. Tap the return icon to go back to screen 1. Screen 2 is the operation or run function screen. From screen 1, tapping the auto icon will change the display from screen 1 to screen 2. Push the run icon on the control panel and hold until the feed table begins to rise and release. The paper stack will move to its top position and the pick mechanism on the machine will begin to cycle. When the machine begins to cycle, hold down the Adjust icon on the control panel until the machine begins to cycle in the slow operation mode. The machine will pull one lift of paper into the punching area and stop. For complete setup instructions, see the DocuPunch Plus Operation Setup video. To clear paper after setup is complete, push and hold the Run icon until the paper clears the die. Push the Run icon on the control panel and hold until the feed table begins to rise and release. The paper stack will move to its top position and the pick mechanism on the machine will begin to cycle. By tapping the Stop icon, the machine operation will stop. Push the Thickness millimeter icon on the control panel. Toggle up and down arrows to adjust pick thickness from 0.4 mm to 1 mm. This operation can be performed when machine is running. With thicker paper stocks, thinner pick lifts are recommended. Push the Speed icon on the control panel. Toggle up and down arrows to adjust the cycle speed from 50, 60, or 75 cycles per minute. For jobs with tabs, a cycle speed of 50 is recommended. For jobs with mixed stocks, a cycle speed of 60 can be used. For jobs with lighter stock, a cycle speed of 75 can be used. Note: thickness and speed setting listed are suggested starting points and recommendations. With different paper stock, paper sizes, and print method, these settings can be adjusted to provide the optimal setting for each individual job. The same die display seen on screen 1 is also displayed on screen 2, showing the current die that the operator has programmed into the machine to track cycle counts on the die. The C1 display shows cycle count for resharpening dies, and the C2 display shows cycle count for die lubrication. Once the cycle count reaches the recommended limits on the cycle counts, an automatic message will appear on the screen informing the operator of the recommended maintenance. See the Tool Change and Die Display video for detailed instructions on this feature.